Velvetty gel brush. So I'm gonna get a thin coat. And also I dropped one drop of the bay gels. And let's give it like, you're gonna get it closer to the cuticles and then tuck it in. I'm gonna do a thin coat because I'm gonna add some glitter on, as well as the encapsulates the 3D flowers. Move that one here. And one jar of this will give you like approximate like 300 nails, which is just the 300 nails of the longer nails. So I'm not using the velvety gel brush, and then gently tuck it in the cuticles area and keep your bristle flat, like a parallel with the nails. Okay. And gently guide your velvety gels. And then also your velvety gels also is salt level, which is awesome. Which is just less of like manipulating. It looks like I'm messing a lot around with this, but actually I am not. I just guide it, and it really a gentle touch. You don't have to like pull it. You can see that my bristle is not even spread out, so you can definitely guide yours velvety gels easier. Just like flip it, turn it upside down. And then so now if you want to add some glitter on, you can. Let's see, we get some glitter here. I love this. It's a new collection. I love it is because it's give it enough, so it's not like a solid glitter. It's basically the really is nice and translucent, so give it a hint of the glitter, but it's not going to like powers and tie up whatever colors you are doing. So you can do it like completely on the nails. I can leave it alone however you would like. You don't have to do all the nails. You can do just on the tip of the nails, however you would like. Okay, so now we are having, this is really nice already. So what I am going to do, I'm gonna try to find what color should we do this for the flowers here. What you all think?
Yellow.
Yellow?
Yes, either yellow or like a ombre.
All right.
Dark yellow. Nice.
So, voting time.
Even pink. Pink will pop real nice on that one too.
Oh, pink, it looks good. Yeah. Just don't throw it away. Yellows looks good as well. So which one, everyone?
Pick some real
right here, babe.
Color. There you go. Yep, down for yellow.
Yellow this or yellow this?
Let's do bright.
This one?
Either bright or the ombre one.
This one looks good.
You want, okay.
Oh, I don't know. It looks doesn't matter. It looks good either way.
Yeah. I want to look at
anything. It's like have a little bit hint of greens.
There
I think
you
it
go,
looks
pink. There's a lot of pink.
A lot of pink?
A lot of pink.
Okay.
One for nude, but yeah, a lot of pink.
Oh, a lot of pink?
A lot of pink. Let's do pink.
Okay. So don't pick yellow. Everybody pick pink.
Yeah. Drop it on. Your nail's done. Perfect.
Okay. No keyring.
That's it.
Just if you get this on, if you don't have LED lights, all you need to do is just out in the sun in the beach for like maybe 30 minutes. I don't know, maybe it kill faster. Just don't do it. Don't do what I say. Like say, okay, I need to get my nails done and then I go to the beach to cure it. And it's really cool though. It's go curve with the sticker of the nail, so it's perfect, and the rest will taken care by the crystal clear. So we need to cap it. However, this one you can definitely do it on the top of the nails if you prefer, or you can encapsulate. So it doesn't matter whatever way you are going to do, it's gonna turn out beautiful. So all right, so now we are going to key it. The reason it is so then that way the glitter is gonna able to get in, really stay good on the nails. And then also you're gonna key and have adhere the 3D handcraft flowers in this. And then we're gonna go back and using a crystal clear to cap and tie everything. All right, flash here for 30 seconds.
Yep, Tamika, that is correct. So all of these flowers have a small curve on the back, so it makes sure when they get in your nail, it will grab on perfectly.
Here you go. I'm gonna show you where I'm at.
Right there. That's good.
Right there. It's have a really nice like see curve in the back curving, whatever, however you call it. It's go perfect with nails, so it's not like flat. Well, it's thin, but it's not flat. I don't know. I love this nudes a lot too. So this is cute.
Yep, you have more vote for yellow and pink.
More pink than yellow?
No, well, more vote now coming in.
Oh my goodness. Okay, next one. I want to do yellow. Next one, I'm gonna do yellow. Wow.
Yeah, let's do yellow.
Next one we'll do orange. Next,
Oh,
orange.
you know what? It's also turned to pink. Perfect.
Ah, nice. Look at this. So when it's getting warm, it's turning pink on pink.
So cute.
All right. What are we using? Grapes?
Great, yeah.
So beautiful.
And remember, this also glow in the dark. So you charge it up, you turn on the light, you glow.
It's so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this. All right, let's go into the clear to cap this beauty. Before, super clear, crystal clear. This one's beads. And also, keep in mind, if you want more.
Oh, so you're going to cap the whole flower too?
Yeah. So what? Yeah, absolutely. Give me.
Yes. So, Aura, stay with us. We will show you where it glows.
Oh, it's so
super
cool.
nice.
Like in the morning, I totally forgot that I have a glow in the dark nail. I said, oh, what happened to my hand? Walk into the store because then when you just force outside and your nail is chalked under the solar, right? And I walk in, I said, oh my God, what happened to my hand? I said, oh, I forgot that I have the glow in the darks. So now after you are going to play the crystal clears on, I'm go ahead and using the bristle, and then also I'm go ahead and guiding the crystal clear on the both end. To make sure they are going to stay nice and cap completely the flower. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this. You know, so now you can do it like nude, like a pink on pink. Or you can use this, the yellow. Yellow looks cool though. It's kind of a contrast color.
So, Rasta, hang on to that thought because I think soon enough we might have a smaller size of Velvetty gel.
Yes, stay tuned for those. Also, here's just what I'm getting good tips and trick for shopping. This month is a special anniversary. So every single sub box had $50 of a gift card there. You can even definitely use it for your Velvetty gels as well. Such a great thought. So I just, I'm thinking of to sharing it because you can definitely use those for any of the color of the Velvetty gel you like.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity because like this month is a special month.
$50 on every single
subscription box. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go to our website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com and subscribe to our sub box monthly. So when you receive your box, in there you will get a special code that will give you $50.
And then don't really like worry about shopping. It is sub with the confidence. So cancel anytime, which is awesome. That you don't have to worry about enjoying it each month without have to worry about next month. And I'm gonna turn it upside down. But then it's a great thing that you have a lot of products in there for this month also. You are going to get the $50 of gift cards. E-gift cards. All right, so now we are going to cure. This looks so freaking cool.